So over the past weekend, I decided to reorganize my makeup collection, and hi, if you guys are new to my channel, I am Shu and I pretty much create makeup related videos, but I'm slowly morphing into slowing down on buying makeup items and anything not makeup related. So just being mindful with the products that I'm bringing into my collection. So I just want to have like a curated amount of makeup products. So over the past weekend, I decided to reorganize my makeup collection, and it was just getting out of control, to be quite honest with you guys. So I found like these acrylics. I mean, I've already had clear acrylic bins. They're like 6x6. I have various sizes, but I decided to get more because I figured that I needed more, especially to hold my concealers and foundations. So if you walk into this bedroom, the door is by where the light switches are. You will see on the left side that I have my desk and my Alex 9 drawer set up here. So this is just like my little corner where I currently filming right now. I have my mini tripod, my ring light tripod, and basically this is just a very simple setup for my YouTube channel. I have a very small channel, so I am not going to invest in like better ring light or anything, at least not yet. But so I have my iMac here right in front of me and my mirror. I believe that I am a pretty organized person to begin with, but if you look through my mom drawer, I have so much foundations just scattered about in the back. So that's where I really want to fix. So this is a before footage of how everything looks like. It's just a very sloppy, minus that basket full of eyeshadow palettes that I'm decided to declutter at some point. But yeah, so I found more acrylic like holders from Amazon, and it came with a pack of 6, and they look pretty nice because they're pretty stackable. So my main idea is just to take out everything from the mom drawer, like all of the foundations that were just scattered about in the back of the drawer, to take them all out and place it on top of my table. Just empty out the whole entire drawer so that I can reorganize it. And then of course the fun begins when I am trying to place all of these empty acrylics in, well, it's kind of like playing Tetris, you know. I don't know where to place them, so I have them lay out like this at first, and I'm just placing all of the foundations, and they fit so nice. I think it looks so much better when they're just all laid out neatly. And I decided to add more concealers and whatnot. And so off camera, I decided to switch up the layout again. I have the 2 foundations stacked. I have like, wow, I have a lot of foundations. I have like 3 acrylic bins just full with foundations, and then highlighters, randomness, concealers, powders, highlighters, blushes, bronzers, you know, any like face related items are all in here. And I have like random loose glitters. They're all neatly laid out now. So I decided to swap out the biggest acrylic from the mom table to my lipstick drawer unit, and I'm just organizing all of the lipsticks into that now. And let me tell you, it looks so much better. and I just like that I can see all of my liquid lipsticks, my lip glosses and etc. all so much more organized, like so organized. I am just happy with the outcome of the lipstick drawer now. And basically I think this took me about 2 hours to organize, but I am so happy with the outcome. It's just, you know, it took some time just to really have a nice layout set up, but I'm just so happy with the end results. So that's the outcome of my organization process. I didn't go into much details of it because I'm telling you, it took me about 2 hours just to reorganize my makeup collection, and that tells you that I have obviously a huge problem, and I really need to declutter my makeup collection at some point for sure. So actually sitting down here today, this is my first time sitting down here after having it reorganized 2 days later. Looking through it, I'm really happy with the outcome for sure, and I just like that I can see everything that I have in my collection. And you know, I don't think it's like overwhelming for me because it took me some time to collect these makeup products, and I'm gonna enjoy all of them slowly but surely. Of course, I still need to do some decluttering at some point, but as of right now, I am happy with the amount of the stuff that I have in my collection. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this very random video, but I just wanted to showcase the process of how I store my makeup collection as of currently. And I might do a makeup inventory next. It's been 3 years I haven't done one of those, and that I know for a fact that my makeup collection grew by a ton, especially when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. Not so much lipsticks right now, thank God, but I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, evening, afternoon, etc. Whenever you guys are watching. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye.